Hey, what's going on everybody? And in today's Rick's review video, we're going to step away from the fat tire all-terrain e-bikes and I'm going to show you an awesome thin tire commuter e-bike. Today, the Actbest Core Step Through in light blue. And that is what it looks like out of the box. Let me undo some of this protective packaging so we can get a good look at the color, and I will show you everything that came in the big box. We have a bike rack. This box and bag here, we'll open that in a second. This appears to be something for the handlebars, the front wheel, a front fender, a back fender, the seat, and of course the bike frame of this commuter e-bike. That is a pretty blue. I can't wait for you to see this all put together. The bag had this combination lock in it. And then what is in the box? We have a little air pump. We have this. I'm not sure what that is for just yet. This looks like it's for the front wheel. We have a bag of tools there, a reflector, the pedals, and okay, I'm guessing this box is going to be the charger. Let's hold off for a second. And then it looks like the last thing in here is the user manual. Now let's see about this. It should be the charger. Yep. It's the charger. Handlebar neck installed, easy peasy. And the front wheel went on easy peasy. By the way, the manufacturer has its own how to assemble video on YouTube. I will leave a link to that in the description box, just in case you need it. Next up, put on the handlebars. Now we have the handlebars on and secured. I want you to remember something when you're putting your bike together. No one's timing you. It's not a contest. Just take your time. If a nosy neighbor is peeking at you, they're not judging you. They're just jealous. They want an e-bike like you have. I disregarded the assembly manual for now because I went ahead and put on the seat and I attached the pedals. Not at that point in the manual exactly yet, but I was just ready for it to look like a real bicycle. We are actually at the step of installing the fenders and the headlight. The front fender and the front headlight have to be installed at the same time. And with the front fender and the front light on, we're down to just two items to install: the back rack and the back fender. There we have it. The back fender is on, the back rack is on, the tires are now inflated. Now let's go grab my wife Nikki and have her help us with the test ride. Links to Actbikes is in the description box. Be sure to use my discount code RICKS and save 5% on your entire order. This particular bike comes in 7 different colors and we both love this baby blue. It is so pretty, especially when you have the brown saddle seat and the brown hand grips. Very, very smart, pretty color combination. This bike also has a 7-speed gear shift system. Smart sensors with the pedals deliver a smoother, more intuitive riding experience. The bike has disc brakes and a safety light. The front fork suspension also adds to the smooth ride. This bike is ideal for riders 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. This Core 1.0 step through that Nikki is riding has a 750 watt peak motor. It has a top speed of up to 22 miles per hour and a range up to 50 miles. The tires are 26 inch by 1 inch and gives it a nice smooth ride. This bike has a payload of up to 350 pounds. The battery is a 36 volt, 13 amp hour battery. And the bike itself weighs 59 pounds. So what do you think of it?
I liked it. It was pretty smooth. Handled really well, turns well. The pedal assist changes were easy because like I had to go up to a 3 to get up the hill. But then I dropped it down to like a 1 or a 0. So, you know, it was easy reach to do with your thumbs.
I like the styling. That's a pretty color.
Yes, it is a super cute color and style with the brown, black, and blue. Absolutely.
Yeah, the brown hand grips, the brown seat. Mm-hmm. Anything else you want to say about it?
Easy gear shifting and nice maneuverability. Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, it's a nice smooth ride, a different feel than like the fat tire all-terrain bikes that I'm used to riding. Commuter bike, smooth ride, feels more like a regular bicycle ride to me than like some of the other ones that I ride. But I love it. Nikki loved it. It'll be a great bike for you, a great commuter bike for you, or give it as a gift, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give this one to my daughter Caitlin for Christmas. So, you know, something you might want to consider. So check out the promo code, the discount code in the description box. And as always, life is not always a thrill, but it is an adventure.